Hey guys, are you want to buy best 1000W power supply? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best 1000W power supply that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at ASUS power supply, the ROG Strix Platinum PSU delivers top-tier performance and efficiency for high-end gaming and professional setups. Utilizing GaN MOSFET technology, it improves power efficiency by up to 30 and optimizes internal layout for cooler, more stable operation. The innovative GPU first voltage sensing, paired with a patented intelligent voltage stabilizer, enhances voltage delivery to your graphics card by up to 45, ensuring smoother gameplay and unwavering performance under heavy loads. Large ROG heatsinks efficiently cool critical components, reducing temperatures and operational noise compared to standard designs. Dual ball fan bearings extend the lifespan up to twice that of sleeve bearing fans, while 0dB technology allows quiet operation during light gaming sessions. Fully ATX 3.1 compatible, the Strix Platinum ensures precise voltage and current regulation for modern systems, and PCIe 5.0 readiness with a native 12V-2x6 connector guarantees reliable power delivery to next-gen graphics cards. Designed for enthusiasts, this PSU combines efficiency, stability, and long-lasting reliability for premium builds. Now our second product is Be Quiet power supply. The Be Quiet Pure Power 13M1000W is an exceptional high-performance PSU, 80+ gold certified with up to 94.4 efficiency. This ensures lower power consumption, reduced costs, and cooler, quieter operation, ideal for gaming PCs and silent system builds. Future-proof your setup with full ATX 3.1 compliance, native 12V-2x6 connector for next-gen PCIe 5.1 graphics cards, and 4 PCIe 6 plus 2-pin connectors for current GPUs, making it versatile for today's and tomorrow's high-power systems. With a single massive 12V rail, it delivers 1000W continuous power and can handle transient loads up to twice its rated capacity, ensuring stable performance for demanding CPUs and GPUs. The semi-passive 0 RPM cooling keeps the system silent under light load, while a reliable fan and airflow-optimized blades handle heavier loads efficiently. Modular cables simplify cable management, enhance airflow, and reduce internal temperatures. With LLC topology and best-in-class voltage regulation, the Pure Power 13M1000W offers stable, quiet, and efficient power for high-end builds. Our third product is Seasonic power supply. The Seasonic Focus V4GX 1000 ATX 3 power supply is engineered for high-performance systems, delivering reliable and efficient power for gaming, content creation, and professional PCs. With 80+ gold certification, it achieves exceptional energy efficiency, reducing power consumption, heat, and operating costs while maintaining stable performance under demanding loads. Designed to support the latest hardware, the GX1000 is ATX 3 compliant and features a 16-pin PCIe Gen 5 cable, 12V-2x6, ensuring seamless compatibility with next-generation graphics cards and high-power systems. Its innovative OptiSync design optimizes heat dissipation, keeping the PSU cool and quiet even under heavy workloads. The fully modular cabling design allows for clean and organized system builds, simplifying cable management while improving airflow and reducing internal temperatures. Compact yet powerful, the Seasonic Focus V4GX 1000 combines high efficiency, advanced thermal management, and future-ready compatibility, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking reliable, quiet, and efficient power delivery for modern PCs. Now number 4, Lian power supply. The EG 1200G power supply is a high-performance, versatile solution for modern gaming and content creation PCs. Featuring integration with the Edge USB/fan hub, it supports up to 4 devices with 8 downstream connections, including 6 4-pin connectors rated at 2A each, providing optimal cooling and seamless RGB control. Its modular compatibility works effortlessly with any case, PSU, or motherboard, enhancing setup flexibility. Future-ready, the EG 1200G includes dual 8-pin to 12V HPWR connectors and a 12V-2x6 interface, supporting NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 and 40 series graphics cards. ATX 3.1 compliance ensures stable, efficient power delivery, handling PCIe 5.1 components and transient spikes with confidence. Certified 80+ gold and cybernetics gold, it combines high efficiency with quiet operation. The magnetic dust filter mesh simplifies cleaning while maintaining structural integrity and smooth airflow. With powerful performance, advanced connectivity, and thoughtful design, the EG1200G provides a reliable, efficient, and quiet foundation for high-end, future-ready PC builds. And our last choice is MSI Power Supply. The EG Series 80 Plus Gold Certified PSU is engineered for high-performance, future-ready PC builds, delivering reliable and efficient power for gaming, content creation, and professional systems. With its 80 Plus Gold certification, it achieves outstanding energy efficiency, reducing electricity consumption, heat output, and operational costs while ensuring stable power delivery for demanding components built to last. The PSU comes with a 10-year limited warranty, offering long-term reliability and peace of mind for users seeking durable and trustworthy hardware. Its fully modular design allows for clean and organized system builds, simplifying cable management and improving airflow for cooler, quieter operation. Future-proof compatibility is ensured with ATX 3.1 compliance and support for PCIe 5.1 devices, including next-generation graphics cards and high-power components. Compact yet powerful, this PSU balances performance, efficiency, and flexibility, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts, gamers, and professionals looking to build stable, high-end systems that stand the test of time. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.